माहौल बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग माहौल है. We've seen our films, but haven't seen it in a while. So to go back to that era and create that alternative world sort of, and make an exciting film with very modern sensibilities was something that was very interesting for us, and that's what we did.
Fantastic.
The phrase was Umrao meets Quentin Tarantino.
वैसे since we are on the talking of shairis, any shairi or any Urdu word that is your favorite during the making, if you like some Urdu word or if you like some shairi?
सवार लोग पलक अबरुओं में खम करते, गिरे पड़े हुए लफ्जों को मोहतरम करते.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much, Madhuri ji. Since we all know that this is one movie that you obviously look ravishing in this movie, could you throw some light? Was it difficult to learn Urdu? I mean, was it difficult to actually speak in these Urdu tones that we have in the movie?
Not really, because I have done a little bit of that in Devdas, जहाँ उर्दू में मैंने बात की है, लेकिन इसमें of course बहुत particular रहना पड़ता था कि नुक्ता कहाँ है और नहीं, तो ज़ेर ज़बर नुक्ता ये सब संभालने पड़ते थे. But apart from that, I think it was wonderful. I learned a lot of new things. जैसे मुझे इस फिल्म के दौरान पता चला कि एक तारा होता है, तारा means a star in the sky. जैसे याद अल-जोज़ा कहते हैं, मुझे लगा बहुत ही रोमांटिक सा नाम है, और that's something I learned. लेकिन it was fun doing this movie. We really had a blast with everyone.
We'd also read that back in 2010 when Ishqiya released, you said you loved Ishqiya. So do you see any similarities between Ishqiya and Date Ishqiya now?
The similarities end with Khalu ji and Baban being there, and their characters, but everything else is very different.
Thank you. Hua, we all know that you're from Delhi and you've been a theatre artist before. So was it difficult, Urdu as a language?
No. I mean, in the sense, of course, I've grown up in Delhi and I've come from a Muslim family, Urdu all around, and my parents speak and write Urdu really well. So मुझ पे extra pressure था, क्योंकि I was like one of the spoiled kids who thought learning Urdu was not very cool, and then I do this movie, and be very careful of my days about nuktas. तो मैं हर चीज़ में नुक्ता लगाती थी. तो अमृत कहते tell me अरे यहाँ नहीं लगता है, यहाँ मत लगाओ, यहाँ बचा के रखो, next line में लगाना. But it was great fun. I think this film shows the old world Muslim culture beautifully, and and it sort of has all these urban elements and how it becomes. I think a lot of people will identify with it. Because when you go and you travel to the smaller cities, you really see that India, which is urban, yet at the same time goes on to those small town values.
Thank you, Rekha ji. Could you please ask you this question? This entire movie, we know that you've sung 2 songs in the movie, and you're just proceeding. Since we are here for the launch of the music, who better to start asking a question about the music than you? You sung 2 songs, they're beautifully sung. We also had an opportunity to hear some. So how was it, and which is your favorite song since you've sung 2?
My favorite is Jagawe Saji Rehna. और हमरी अटरिया इसलिए मुझे पसंद है क्योंकि बेगम अख्तर साहिबा की ठुमरियाँ सुनते मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, और इट्स एन ऑनर कि उनकी ठुमरी को एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड विशाल और गुलजार साहब लेके गए हैं. अभिषेक चोज दैट सॉन्ग सो, और इस फिल्म में इतने खूबसूरती से वो आ सका, अकोमोडेट हुआ, एंड हु बेटर देन माधुरी दीक्षित टू डांस ओवर दैट. सो इट्स एन ऑनर टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दीज 2 सॉन्ग्स जो फिल्माए गए हैं माधुरी जी पे. और
थैंक यू सो मच.